Here are 7 verbs you can use with clothes. You can wear clothes to go outside. You can fold your clothes to keep them neat. You can iron your clothes to remove wrinkles. You can hang your clothes. You can try on clothes to see if they fit. You can pack your clothes in a suitcase for a trip. You can wash your clothes when they get dirty. When learning new verbs, focus on using them in real-life situations. For example, after watching this video, try creating sentences with each verb. Like, I will fold my clothes after washing them. This will help you remember the verbs better and make them a natural part of your vocabulary. What do you think? What else can we do with clothes? Share your ideas with us.